Medical communication: understanding how to communicate effectively between doctors and patients. Medical communication is an important skill possessed by medical personnel in interacting with patients, patient families, colleagues, and other members of the medical team. The ability to communicate effectively not only affects the quality of medical care, but also the doctor-patient relationship, patient satisfaction, and better clinical outcomes. Medical communication includes verbal and nonverbal aspects, as well as the ability to listen, understand, and manage medical information in a clear, empathetic, and professional manner. The following is a detailed explanation of medical communication, covering the main aspects, techniques, challenges, and its role in medical practice. 1. The importance of medical communication. Good medical communication is very important in the world of medicine for the following reasons. A. Building effective doctor-patient relationships. Clear and empathetic communication between doctors and patients allows for the formation of a relationship of mutual trust, which is an important foundation for successful care. Patients who feel heard and respected tend to be more cooperative in following medical advice and undergoing treatment. B. Improving quality of care. Physicians who communicate well can be more effective in identifying patients' medical problems, providing accurate diagnoses, and communicating treatment plans clearly. This can reduce the likelihood of medical errors and improve the overall quality of care. C. Improving patient satisfaction. Patient satisfaction is often related to how well the communication between the patient and the medical staff is established. Patients who feel that they are treated with respect and given sufficient information about their condition are more likely to be satisfied with the care they receive. D. Reducing the risk of malpractice. Most malpractice complaints filed by patients are caused by poor communication. Misunderstandings regarding medical information or a lack of understanding of procedures and risks can leave patients feeling dissatisfied or disadvantaged. Good communication can prevent this problem. 2. Aspects of medical communication. Medical communication includes several main aspects, which involve listening, speaking, and nonverbal skills. Here is a further explanation. A. Verbal communication. Verbal communication includes words spoken by a doctor or other medical staff. Some important points in verbal communication include: 1. Simple and clear language. The use of technical medical language should be avoided when speaking to patients who do not have medical knowledge. Doctors must be able to convey information in language that is easily understood by patients and their families. Example: replacing complex medical terms with simple explanations such as, "This disease causes your blood vessels to narrow." C. Listening communication. Active listening is an often overlooked, yet very important, part of communication. In medical communication, Listening carefully and without distraction can help doctors better understand the symptoms and problems faced by patients. 1. Empathetic listening. Listening with empathy means not only listening to the patient's words, but also understanding the feelings and emotions underlying their complaints. This shows that the doctor cares about the patient's experience. Example: I can understand that this condition is very disturbing to you. Let's find a solution together. 2. Providing appropriate feedback. Providing feedback by summarizing what the patient said and clarifying if necessary ensures that the doctor and patient are on the same page. 3. Medical communication techniques. Some techniques that doctors can use to communicate effectively with patients include: A. Information-giving techniques. Providing medical information in a way that is easy for the patient to understand. Using analogies or visualizations to explain the medical condition or procedure to be performed. B. Persuasion techniques. Motivate patients to follow medical recommendations by providing clear explanations of the benefits and potential risks, and suggesting options for the patient to take. C. Communication to manage conflict. If there is a difference of opinion or disagreement between the doctor and the patient, the doctor must be able to manage the conflict while maintaining respect and understanding the patient's position. D. Patient-focused approach. The doctor must put the patient first in every interaction, listen with full attention, and provide the necessary emotional support. This approach prioritizes the patient's overall well-being, not just the medical aspects. 4. Challenges in medical communication. Some of the main challenges in medical communication that can affect the doctor-patient relationship and the quality of care include: A. Communication with patients who do not understand the same language. Language differences between doctors and patients can be a major barrier to medical communication. The use of an interpreter or translation technology is often necessary in this situation. B. Communication with patients who are stressed or afraid. Patients who are in an emotional or stressful state, such as those with a serious illness, may have difficulty understanding information or accepting a diagnosis. Doctors must be sensitive to this situation and convey information in an empathetic manner. C. Communication in time-constrained conditions. In some urgent medical situations, doctors may need to provide information within a limited time. Even when time is limited, doctors should still try to provide enough information and make sure the patient understands what is happening. D. Communication between health professionals. Communication between members of the medical team is also very important. Inaccuracy or failure in communication between medical professionals can be fatal for the patient. The medical team must coordinate well with each other to ensure holistic patient care. 5. The role of technology in medical communication. Advances in technology have also influenced the way medical communication is carried out. Some innovations that help in medical communication include a. Telemedicine. Telemedicine allows for long-distance communication between patients and doctors, which is very useful in emergency situations or for patients in remote locations. B. Health applications. Patient applications, such as those that provide medical records or medication reminders, help communication between patients and healthcare providers, and improve patient understanding of their care. C. Electronic medical record (EHR) systems. Electronic medical records allow doctors to access a patient's medical history efficiently, which facilitates communication between multiple healthcare providers and improves decision-making. 6. Conclusion. Effective medical communication is a very important skill in the practice of medicine. Physicians must be able to communicate verbally and non-verbally with patients and colleagues to ensure quality care, build trusting relationships, and enhance patient satisfaction. Challenges in medical communication can be overcome with an empathetic approach, appropriate use of technology, and good listening skills. Thus, good medical communication not only improves clinical outcomes but also enhances the quality of the patient experience.